Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to PowerPoint video series. So in the last class, we have discussed about the transition and animation. Now we have completed these both options. So now we are going to move to the slideshow tab. So as you can see in the slideshow tab, you will see the first option, which is called from beginning. So if you want to start the presentation from beginning, you have to click on this option. The shortcut key of this option is F5. So you have to press the F5 through these both methods. If you want to use the F5 shortcut key, you can also do that. If you want to click on this option, you can also do that. It's up to you. So I'm going to click on this. So as you can see, the presentation is started from the start. So I'm going to change the slide. So as you can see, the slides are being changed. So in this way, you can start the presentation from the beginning. So I'm going to, if you want to make a new slide, as we have discussed, now we have to press the Control M. So as you can see, I have inserted a new slide and I'm going to write here data. So after that, as you can see, here's another option which is called from current slide. It will start the presentation from the current slide where you are. For example, I am on this slide. So if you will press the shortcut key of this option is Shift F5. If you will press the Shift F5, the presentation will be start from here. So I'm going to press the Shift F5. So as Shift F5, as you can see, the presentation is started from this slide. So in this way, you can use these both options. After that, custom slideshow. If you want to show some selected slides, you can also do that. You have to click on the custom shows. So now you have to click on the new one, and now you have to select the slides, which slides you want to show. For example, I want to show these both. So I'm going to click on the add and OK. Now we can show them. As you can see, these both slides will be changed and now it's in. So in this way, you can do that. After that, if you want to hide any slide, you can click on the hide slide. Slide will be hidden. Rehearse timing, it will record your timing. So these are the main options. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use a slideshow and how you can start the presentation and hide and all the things. So see you guys in the next video.